Hey guys, how are you? Got my water in this giant jug. I'm like super dehydrated at the moment, but I'm ready to do this. So let's go. Alright, so it's that time of the month again, guys. The Allure beauty box has arrived. I'm not even gonna hype up this box as much this month. I didn't see what was in it, really. Or if I did, I don't remember. Thinking let's just jump right in. If you like these types of videos and you want to keep seeing more of me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also give it a like if you enjoyed it. Holy balls. Dropping shit everywhere. As usual. Okay, so with Allure, if you want to go and take a look at the beauty box or anything, there you go, there's a website. And they always put some cute little saying inside their lids. This time it's sheet mask and chill. Okay, and they always put in this little handy dandy booklet that has the products in it that lets you know what's going on. So without reading it, and grab from the top. Okay, first things first, we have the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Lipstick. Liquid Lip. Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip. This is in the shade Gwyneth. It's a very bright berry shade is what it looks like. Yeah, like a berry shade. It is named after the creative director of Juice Beauty, who is Gwyneth Paltrow. So she has one named after her and her friends and family and stuff like that. So it says it lays down the intense, vivid pigment of a lip stain and achieves a velvety, lacquer-like finish without feeling tacky or drying. It's moisturizing and conditioning, has a doe foot applicator, blah, 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 blah. Formulated with organic ingredients. Lips must be bare to ensure optimal coverage. Apply using the easy-to-use flexible doe foot and allow to set. The full size retails for $24. I don't know what full size in ounces is, so I can't tell you how much this guy retails for, but probably maybe $2 or $3. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, wow. It does feel moisturizing. I don't know if my hand is dry, but something feels grainy. Maybe my hand. Maybe the lipstick. I don't know. You know what? We only have a balm on our lips right now. Let's put this on and see what it looks like. I am like crusty in the corners. All right, let's see. I'm gonna pull out my handy mirror here. It does feel moisturizing. It's very comfortable on the lips, I will say that. It's a pretty color. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I don't know if it looks good on me, but I do like the color. Next item in the box. We have a Youth to the People Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Or it says Age Prevention Moisture Cream. I'm interested to see what it smells like. So on the back it says, get ready for some leafy green moisture with our lightweight multifunction antioxidant-rich moisture cream. All the superfoods you love combine forces with hyaluronic acid to create a mighty moisturizer that restores, rejuvenates, and conditions while protecting against free radicals and environmental stresses. So it's 100% vegan, it's cold pressed, no parabens, fragrance, color, no animal testing, sulfates, or phthalates. Phthalates? I don't like that word. It's a hard one. I will say usually with little mini sizes, they at least fill them up. There's like empty space in the jar. Quite a bit actually. Has like a fresh scent. I wouldn't call it green tea, but something similar to that. It smells like face cream kind of, but nothing perfumed. It's just light. It's light, airy, and fresh. So I will give that a try. With such a tiny little sample, I'll be able to work that in maybe a couple of nights. Maybe use that as a day cream instead of my usual day cream and see what happens. The full size of the moisture cream retails for $48. On to the next. Hey, full size! You usually get 1 to 2 full-size products in an Allure box. Usually 1 if it's like a high-ticket item. If there's like 2 cheaper items, you'll get 2 cheaper full-sized items. And the Skin Fix lip balm is one of them. So this is in Natural Minty Mint. So for soft, smooth lips, nourish with natural oils and botanicals and a hint of natural mint flavor. No synthetic flavor, color, gluten, parabens, phthalates, or preservatives. Just says apply as needed. So this is full size and retails for $4.99. Says you can buy it on QVC. I've seen Skin Fix online at Ulta too, so I don't know if maybe this is something you might be able to buy on Ulta. I like lip balms. I live and die by them, so not upset that I got this, especially since it's a full size. All right, so this has got to be a full size item, because if it's not, then I can't imagine how big the full size is. This is the Clay, or Clee, Essence Moonlighter Cushion. This is a cushion highlighter. I've never had that before. That's interesting. Let's see. It says, Essence Moonlighter Cushion provides a lustrous shine equivalent to that of moonlight glistening on water, infused with soothing and nourishing ingredients such as calamine, pearl powder, and moisturizing essence. Our Moonlighter Cushion highlights desired areas with silky smooth and luminous finish. So it looks like it's best for fair to medium skin tones, is what Allure is saying in their little pamphlet thingy here. So fair to medium, they're saying, dab it on cheekbones, brow bones, where you would put highlighter, you know? And it gives a very nice glow. Don't put it all over your face though, because apparently it's super glowy. Unless you really like that look. Which if you can pull it off, by all means, please put it all over your face. I'd like to see that. I can't pull that off. I would look like a grease ball. But this retails for $30. Okay, not bad. I've never tried a cushion highlighter. I've tried a liquid highlighter, and I've tried a cream highlighter, and obviously powder highlighters, but never a cushion highlighter, which I'm guessing is probably fairly similar to a liquid one, I would think. But I'm excited. I like highlighters. I'll give it a try. Actually, let's be fun. I feel like I don't have enough glow on my face today. Let's add some, shall we? I'm not gonna lie. This feels super flimsy. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. Puff actually feels so nice. I don't think I want to use that for this. I think I'd rather use that for one of my cushion foundations. Oh my god. I didn't do the lipstick trick, guys. I got lipstick all over my teeth. Okay, it's not everywhere anymore. We're good. I swear my pants are covered in makeup like 90% of the day. Removing the protective film that is always on cushions. Do I have a brush in here? Boo, I don't. Alright, I guess we're gonna just use the very tip of this guy. Just give it a little dab. Ooh, look at that glow. Oh yeah. Okay, so yes, it is seriously glowy, but it's glowy in a pretty way. It is not like that glitter glowy. I can't stand the glitter glow. I want it to be natural looking because, I mean, the glitter thing really emphasizes texture on my face. So I prefer no glitter in my highlighters. I mean, they can pretend to have a glittery effect with the way that they shift and move, but chunky glitter in my highlighters and me just really do not get along. I like it. I really, really like this highlighter. It is giving me that beautiful, just like lit from within glow. I really like the natural, like dewy glow type thing. And this cushion highlighter gives it to me. So it's a win in my book. I'm happy. Thank you, Allure, for bringing this into my life. And last in the box, we have the Tardis / Paint Mascara. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I want to say my November BoxyCharm. November, December, I can't quite remember. But I haven't even used it yet. So now I have another one, which I'll probably go through this guy first. So full size retails for $23. So this one has a defining and separating lash brush, tons of length, and 0 clumps. I haven't tried it yet. I really should because I hate clumpy mascara. It's so upsetting to me. It's like my least favorite thing ever. All right, so that is the end of the Allure beauty box. It was okay this month. It wasn't the best one I've received, for sure, but it wasn't terrible either. So I guess kind of a middle of the road one. I still, again, like I said in my last month's one, I only got charged $10 last month. I think it was like $10.39, and same for this month. And I was under the impression that this was a $15 a month, no matter what, box. So I'm confused. I don't know if there's like a coupon they keep applying, because I know I did get my first box for $10, but I thought it was supposed to be $15 every box after that. I'm not complaining. I'm just wondering if that has happened to anybody else. If it's happened to you, please let me know. I'm curious. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed seeing me and would like to continue seeing me. I hope you all have a great afternoon, day, evening, weekend, wherever, whenever you are. Take care. Bye-bye.